want to show you guys my coffee maker.
Guys, this is the K-Cafe single serve coffee pod brewer by Keurig. It makes lattes, frappuccinos, it froths milk, hot or cold, and with it you can brew a single shot of espresso or a big 12-ounce cup of coffee. You'll really enjoy this.
My husband bought this for me for Christmas, and I'm making myself a latte. I like to use Peet's coffee. This stuff. I'm gonna make a very strong latte with 3 shots of espresso. This is a reusable coffee pod that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. Fill it up all the way to the top, and I pack it in real tight.
Okay, once that's done, I lock my coffee pod into the Keurig, make my selection. I'm selecting latte because I love strong coffee, and clicking that K and letting her brew. While that is brewing, I'm going to go ahead and start my broth. I collect my ice. And I add my syrups. Pour in my coffee. And then my froth. Last but not least, sugar in the raw. Sprinkle it right on top. Let's taste it. It's perfect.